Businesses and communications providers often combine separate systems for telephony, artificial intelligence, recording, billing, and customer management. Netbrowse Voice brings them together on one Ubuntu server with a real Asterisk PBX at its core. I directed the product design and tested every milestone, while Codex with GPT 5.6 accelerated development, testing, and creation of the automated installer. This is a working SIP communications platform, not a simulated calling interface. 2 phones are registered. I will now call extension 800, our AI receptionist.
You are speaking with an AI receptionist. Your voice will be processed by AI to answer this call. You may ask to speak with a person at any time. Welcome to Netbrowse Voice. I can explain how the platform combines business telephony, AI call handling, billing, and customer management.
How is Netbrowse Voice different from other traditional PBXs?
Netbrowse Voice builds on a solid telephony core like Asterisk, but adds a modern web control center with AI reception built into routing, plus recordings, billing, and customer or reseller tools in the same platform.
Please, can you help me in French?
Bien sûr, je peux t'aider en français. Tu peux poser ta question ou expliquer ce dont tu as besoin, et je répondrai clairement en restant concis.
On second thoughts, can you transfer me to a human?
I'll connect you to a human team member now. Please hold for the transfer. The transfer is still in progress. If you're still there, please hold a moment.
OpenAI Realtime provides the fastest and most natural live conversation in our current implementation, although its built-in voice selection remains limited. Google and 11 Labs provide additional high-quality voices for generating pre-recorded greetings, interactive voice response announcements, and other asterisk sounds. Their current response delay makes them less suitable for live conversations in this implementation. The AI transfers the call to support queue 600. Music plays while the available human agent rings. The administrator can monitor the active call in real time. When it ends, its outcome, recording, and AI session information become available for review. Netbrowse Voice also provides isolated customer and reseller portals. Resellers can manage their clients and branding without seeing provider credentials, wholesale costs, or other tenants. The commercial layer includes telephone number inventory, customer rates, prepaid wallets, postpaid accounts, call billing, and downloadable invoices. Netbrowse Voice Community Edition is open source and installs through one Ubuntu script, one system, every call,